All right, guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. So this on our WhatsApp monetization and withdrawal. So as you can see right here on my screen, on my dashboard, I have about 2,755 points here, and I want to show us how we can withdraw from this, because many of my mentees or referrer have ended points. They have end points. They have end points, and they want to withdraw. So I want to show us how we can withdraw these points that you are just seeing. So to withdraw, you just come to where you are seeing account. Once you log in, come to account at the top right corner of your dashboard. You see account there. You see it here at the top right corner of your dashboard, something like a human icon. Just go there. Once you go there, click on it. Once you click on account, you would see something like account withdrawal. You see account withdrawal. Just click on it. Click on account withdrawal. Once you do, you will see transfer out to. You see TRX, India, Nigeria, PKR, IDR, blah blah blah. Just click on Nigeria since you are in Nigeria and wants to withdraw to your local bank account. You click on Nigeria, please. For my mentees or referrer in Nigeria, click on Nigeria. Once you do that, once you click on Nigeria, for me, I have imputed my OPay. The number you are seeing here is my OPay number where I'll be withdrawing to. So for you, if you haven't set yours, you just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you see where you are supposed to enter your bank account. This bank account is either your First Bank, Access Bank, or you can click and impute OPay. For the fastest means of this thing is OPay. So me, I'm using OPay. Please, I'm using OPay. Just click on this place you are seeing bank account. This bank account you are seeing, and select look for OPay or Paycom. Paycom is OPay. If you are not seeing OPay, just look for Paycom. You see it, OPay. Then you see this receiving account that is under it. Type your OPay number there, where you are seeing receiving account. This receiving account now, type your OPay number there. Once you are done, this receipt name, type in any of your names, any amongst of your names that under receipt name. Type any of your name that is in that account that you are binding. Like my names are Wana Sunday Owoche. Me, I normally just type Owoche here. That place you are seeing my phone number. That's what I use. Then the login password to this account, the account you are using, the password you use to log into this account that is fetching you money. This is the password that you use to withdraw from here. So once you are all done, you click bind. Me, I bind already because I've been withdrawn from the account. You click confirm. Once you confirm, it is already here. Then if you want to withdraw now, if you have done all of that, then you go back. Once you go back, you see that your details already is displaying just like mine is. Then you come to this transfer amount now that you are seeing withdraw fee 200 points. Just come to maximum transfer out of. So I have 2,700 and something, but I can only transfer 2,585 because 200 points will be charged for the transfer or the withdrawal I want to do. So I can only type in 2,585. This gives me 749 naira. Once I'm done, I'll just click show. The moment I click on this show that you are seeing, the show you are seeing here, the moment I click on it, this show, it will just send to my account, and then that's it. Your money will just be in your OPay immediately if it's OPay you are using. So that's that for the video. Please, I just wanted to show so that I won't make mistakes. Please, thank you.